What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be creating a smoky eye look with literal smoke. So I saw this video on TikTok recently, and it's about this Hollywood starlet named Marlene Dietrich. Is it Dietrich? Dietrich. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm pretty sure I got the first half down. D. So basically, she would basically get a candle and a saucer or like a little plate. I'm using a lid to Bath and Body Works candle, and this is like one of the Halloween ones, and she just hold it up like this, and I just put the flame kind of right against the plate. Of course it's gonna heat up, so you gotta be careful about that if you have it on there for too long. I kind of already did it earlier already. I have all this right here, but in the video she said that Marlene would mix like this, like the soot or the ash or whatever it is, with Vaseline. I'm not gonna do that. I've already done this look like twice already, and I just get my fingers and I just dab it on, or sometimes I'll just get a brush and swirl some on there and then start blending it out onto. Sorry, there's so many gnats in here. I don't know why there's gnats in my room. Yeah, so as I was saying, I've done this makeup look twice already, and I've done it differently. I've done it like with just like the black eyeshadow, and I just smoked it out, and then I've done like the black, and then, well, not the black, well, this, not the eyeshadow, but this stuff. I'll apply it and then cut the crease to give it like more of like a Morticia look, or like how Marlene's makeup looked in the first image of the TikTok. I'll put it up here. I'll probably link the TikTok down below in the description box as well, so you can see the video for yourself. I thought it was really interesting. I might try the Vaseline one another time, maybe on my own time, but I just like how I've been using it for. So yeah, so I guess let's dive into this makeup tutorial. Okay, so first you're gonna get a candle or match. I've used matches too. I just don't like using matches because of course they burn out too fast and they burn your finger if they get too close to your finger. I just get a candle, I light it. Of course, if you guys are like younger kids doing makeup, have an adult supervision, of course. Don't do this. No, don't start a fire, you know, because of me. So you light a candle, you get a little dish. I'm just using the top of I'm just using the candle lid from a Bath and Body Works candle. You can use any candle lid or a little dish that you have. Also beware that the plate will get hot if you have it on the flame for too long. It will get hot, so yeah. And basically you just hold it over the fire and you just kind of set it there for a little bit, move it around so that way it will collect some ash. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get my finger and dab it on, and then I think once I have enough on, I'm gonna get a brush. I mean, you could also just dive in straight with a brush and just blend it in, but I like to dab it on just a little bit just to get some pigment onto my eyes first, and then I'll blend it out with the blending brush. Okay, so now I'll be adding some shadows underneath the eyes. I'm using this little brush. This one is the A14 brush from Anastasia. Now see blending it underneath my eye and into the upper wing that I had created. But I like to call this my little raccoon eye because I like to blend the shadow down kind of into my nose bridge just to like make my nose look more dramatic, I guess, and eyeshadow more dramatic. I don't know. That's what I like to call it, so because like it like elongates and goes on the nose. Kind of reminds me of a raccoon. I like to call it my raccoon eye. Okay, y'all can just stop here and just call it a smoky eye. Y'all can of course do it differently than I did, like a different shape. But I want to be more dramatic and more glam, I guess. Kind of like a Morticia glam, you know. I'll be cutting the crease. I'll be doing like an inner cut crease. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer to cut the crease. I just want to go for a little bit more dramatic look. And I did this look yesterday, and I really loved it, and I didn't really get much good pictures of it, and I was like, maybe I should just film a video about it, also like talking about this new technique that I learned, which technically it's old, but like what's new to me, but this new technique that I learned, and I just wanted to share it with you guys, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm using the Lunatic Cosmetics Vampira palette. I haven't used this palette in a while, and I just started using it again recently because it's beautiful, and that's why I don't really use it, because like the packaging is just beautiful and I love it. But we're going to be diving into the shade Untarnished, and I'm going to be applying that into the negative space I had just created in my crease. Okay, so next I'm applying the KVD Beauty Anti-Precision Liner onto my waterlines and smudging it out down into the black eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm diving into the KVD Beauty Shade and Light Eyeshadow Quad and Smoke. I feel like the black in this eyeshadow quad is very similar to like the ashes I applied into my eyes. I feel like obviously it's probably why it's called Smoke. It's supposed to be probably inspired by that, but I'm not sure if they even sell these anymore. I think I got this for $5 when they went on sale like a long time ago. But yeah, this is like a really it's like 2 years old maybe. I like it because it's like really basic and it has like all the colors I just need for a simple smoky eye, but I'm just going to use the black just for the inner corners. So I'm going to be drawing on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Granite. Okay, so next I'm applying the KVD Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Damned. Okay, so next I'm applying some lashes, and I'm using the Enchanting Beauty Cosmetics lashes in Affluent. These are also from a local brand. I'll be applying these off camera. Okay, so that'll be it for today's video. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Especially stay around for Halloween, because I have a bunch of cool stuff coming up for Halloween that I already have planned, and I had just received some stuff in the mail for some videos. So I am super excited to start on that. I might start filming as soon as possible. I'll probably film my next Halloween video after I film this one, not today, but that'll definitely be the next video I film, so I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had a ton of fun creating it. I did this yesterday and I was like, I need to film a video on this look, like the specific look that I wore yesterday, especially with like the new technique that I learned. I want to show you guys that because it's just so awesome and I just have to share it to you guys. And also thank you to the TikToker that posted it. I don't remember her username, but I'll post it over here, her TikTok username, and also I'll try to post a link to the video down below in the description box if it'll let me, so that way y'all guys can see it for yourself. I really like this look. It's like a spooky glamour look, a Morticia glam, Vampira glam. I just love it. Like, this is spooky babe glam. Amazing. This is getting me excited for Halloween. I am ready for Halloween, you guys. I'm just ready. I need to start stocking the local Michaels and Bath and Body Works for some Halloween items, because I need some new Halloween decor in my room, honestly. I want to make it spooky here all year round. If you guys do recreate this look or try out the smoky look, the smoky eye, I guess, make sure you tag me on Instagram so that way I can see it. I'm also active on Twitter, you can tag me on there, and Facebook as well. You can tag my Facebook page, so yeah. Also my TikTok as well, you can tag me on there too. I would love to see you guys' beautiful faces and y'all's recreations of this, or even just trying out the ash. I want to see it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. And that'll be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful and spooky day. Bye guys.